Hello and welcome all of you, and you're watching K-Commerce Academy with me, Kunal Singhal. Again, today I'm available with one more mock Viva video. This will be from the chapter of Principles of Management and the chapter of Marketing Management for class 12th Business Studies. So without wasting much time, let's begin with that. Good afternoon, Darshan. So let's start with that. You must be sitting with your project file, right? Tell me a short, brief description about yourself. Your
I am
name, your
Darshan Agrawal
school.
from class. I am Darshan Agrawal from class 12th Commerce from Aditya Birla Public School.
Am I audible? Nitin sir, please check, is there any network issue?
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Yes, Darshan,
So,
give a brief description about your project.
sir, this is project about business management. In this project, I have made a description about a Volcom company nearby me at Pindwada. Sir, in this company, I have managed all the principles of that. I have made a brief description about the principles of FAOL. Is they are followed or not in that corporation?
Okay, fine. What do you mean by principles of management?
These are the general guidelines which are to be followed in the company.
What is the major difference between the principles of management and principles of science?
These are the principle of science refers to the management which is followed under the science, and these are the principles of Taylor.
I repeat my question once again because the answer is not expected one. What is the major difference, main difference, core difference between principles of management and principles of science? The core difference in these two.
The principles of science is managed by a scientific manner or scientific law, and normal this business and this principle of management is are normal principle which are to be followed in the business.
Okay. In which year was your company established?
Sir, it was in 1989.
In 1989, it was established. And who is the current chairman?
Sir, CK RM Singhal.
What principles of management did you find are not followed by that organization?
The principle of discipline, unity of command, and esprit de corps were not followed.
What do you mean by esprit de corps?
These are the manager should replace I with we, so that the manager and the employees do not get confused or do not get demotivate themselves, and the business can run efficiently.
So what were the conditions that helped you to observe that this principle is not followed by this organization?
Sir, I asked the employees, is the manager is replacing I with you, or he is encouraging you, or is he motivating you? I asked them questions regarding this.
Have you heard about the word team spirit?
Yes, sir.
Can team spirit be taken to be a keyword for esprit de corps?
The team spirit is a different thing, and is the same thing with esprit de corps.
So you must have utilized the term that to imbibe team spirit among the employees have been given by the esprit de corps. Okay. Yes, now I'm giving few phrases. You just have to identify the principle of management. I'm just giving few phrases. You have to identify which principle of management I am talking about. One unit, one plan.
One unity of command.
One unit, one plan is by unity of direction.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sorry.
Another one unit, one boss.
One unit, one boss. Unity of command.
That's correct. Prescribed channels of communication.
Channels of communication. Scalar chain.
That is absolutely correct. Tell me the concept which is contradictory to the principle of scalar chain.
Gap. I am not getting it, sir.
Never mind. Let me move to the another question. I'm giving you one situation. You just have to identify the principle of management followed in under this situation. On the completion of a project, manager congratulates everyone involved in the team, announced incentives to them, which value the manager has followed.
Can you repeat it again?
Sure. On completion of a project, manager congratulates everyone involved in that project and also announced incentives for them. Which value or which principle I am talking about?
Esprit de corps.
No. One more chance.
Principle of initiative.
The principle of discipline will be the correct answer in this situation, where he must have committed that I will give you certain incentives on achievement of target, and now on achieving that target he is fulfilling his commitment by declaring the incentives. So the principle of discipline will be followed here.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now I'm moving a little bit separate from your project. As you have prepared your project from the principles of management, I'm asking few questions from the marketing management also. So starting with that,
Okay, sir.
what do you mean by marketing management?
It is a process of where seller and marketer interact with each other, so that the need and want of buyers can be fulfilled with an exchange mechanism.
Okay. I'm giving one phrase. You have to identify the philosophy of marketing management. There are total how
Okay,
many
sir.
marketing philosophies you have studied?
Five.
Five. So you have to identify
Five.
which marketing philosophy I'm talking about. Availability
Okay,
and
sir.
affordability.
Availability and affordability. Market selling, marketing concept.
Again, if you want to try, because that's not the correct one.
Production concept.
Production concept is absolutely correct. Do not panic. If you know the answer, then just
Yes, sir.
calmly think over it. Listen to the question calmly, think over it, then answer. Do not panic. Okay. Tell me what factors we have to keep in mind while determining a price of the product.
What factors? First, we have to product price is covered or not. Competitive price should be given. The profit competitive. The price should be according to government regulation. If we have monopoly in the market, then we can charge high prices of the product. It can be depend upon demand and utility of the product also. If the demand is high, we can charge high prices, and if the utility of the product is low, then we can charge low prices.
Any other points? Will you consider the cost of production?
Yes, sir.
Will you
cost of production should be covered.
will you consider the marketing strategies used?
No, sir.
You will not consider what marketing strategy you have used?
No,
Will you
sir. For
consider
determining price, we have.
will you consider the pricing objectives of the firm?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there are in total 9 points that have to be considered while setting up the price of the product.
Price.
So in all, I can say that though you are prepared, but somewhere you are getting a little bit confused. So what you need to do, you need to just brush up a little bit more so that a shine can be brought. You know the answers, but many times you get confused, or many times you are not getting the correct answer also. So what you need to do, just prepare yourself 2-3 times more so that you will be able to perform in the much better manner in your main practical examinations. Just believe on yourself. You
Okay,
are
sir.
having caliber capability, but a little more preparation is required. And after that, definitely you will come with the bright flying colors.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.